What's going on, guys? Today I'm out here with a buddy of mine's 2019 Grizzly 700. Just got through doing the big 3 on it from EHS. Got a full HMF exhaust on it now, fresh header, heat shield, and their Titan series slip-on. Sounds really good. No quiet core needed on this one. It's only 1 decibel more than stock. Got their heat shielding on. Also did the EHS air intake mod, so it actually gets its air from the air filter, not going around it with a uni air filter. And under here, got the EHS tuner. Notched out the box a little bit so the wire fit, some Velcro. Perfect in there. Give you startup of it. Vibration you hear is just this plastic shit. These new bikes are nothing like the old ones. Sounds really good, very responsive with the tuner. I mean, this thing pulls the wheels up, no problem now. That's it, guys. Definitely would do this mod if you have a 2019 and up Grizzly 700. It wakes it up tremendously.